Hello there, I am really disturbed of some apps on my Android phone. These causes notifications and sounds which really annoys me. So, I just wanna stop getting these disturbing notifications onwards. On your Android phone, go to Settings. Scroll down and look for Apps. Go to App Management. Now find the apps cause notifications and sounds. This is the one going to manage notifications. Here, just switching off the top button, all the notifications will be stopped. But you can customize it by disabling sound or vibrations or both. It means you will get notifications but there will be no sound or vibrations. But I totally need to switch it off. Now finding another one. Switching it off. By this way, you can easily get rid of all the disturbing notifications the apps send. Hope this tutorial will help you and please hit the like button. Subscribe to Joseph IT and inspire us. Goodbye.